Hey, it's been a long time since I have filmed anything because of health issues. I still have some health issues going on, but I'm hoping I will be good soon. So, to get back into the YouTube thing, I thought I would start with like a small video and see how that goes. So, let's get started. This video is gonna be an unboxing of two items that I ordered. One was in sale and the other one is I think also in sale, but I'm not sure. So one is from H&M and the other is from Sacha, but I don't think Sacha is an international company. I think it's more a European based shop, but we'll see. So let's get into it. These are the two items that we are going to be unboxing. So let's start with the Sacha one. See Sacha, it says, yes, I bought shoes again. That's such a dilemma for me. I'm always buying shoes. Like, I have so many shoes. It's crazy. It's scary. It's scaring me right now, even thinking about it. But I'm trying to figure out a way of how I can get rid of shoes, and I'm getting rid of a whole box of shoes this summer, but I still need to get rid of more shoes because I have more than 3 big boxes full of shoes. So yeah, anyway, let's unbox. I'm excited. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and this is a bag. I bought a bag. I saw this bag in the shop and it was still expensive. I was like, oh, god damn it. Then I ordered it when it was like, I think like 30. And I was like, okay, it's now better. It's better in sale. But then I went back on the website and I saw it was 20. And then I was like, no fucking way. I have to go back and order this again. So I took that one back and I paid for this one, which is only 20 compared to how much it was originally. So I was like, ugh, thank God, I'm getting really a good deal. Let me show you. Like, how much is this? Let's see. So basically this bag was from 52.99 to 20 euros. Isn't that crazy? Like, best deal ever. Anyways, what else is inside? Okay, the sticker if I want to take it back. Okay. Anything else? No. That's it. Let's unbox this baby. Oh my god, I love these. Oh wait, it's not. Yep. Oh my god. I love these. Look at these. Like, oh my god. Oh. When I saw these in the shop, I was like, I have to have these. So now I'm like, yes, this is it. And I have to wear it outside, though I'm not allowed to go outside anymore, but for health issues. But if I get the opportunity, I have to wear this bag outside. Like, I have to, because oh my god, it's such a good deal for 20 bucks. The only thing is that I hate about bags, now I only look for handbags that I can hold over my shoulder. Though this one I can't hold it over my shoulder, which is a bit annoying, but I still love it. Like, I love the color, I love how shiny it is. For me, I like things that are shiny, and you're gonna see me from afar. I'm that kind of girl. I like such things. So this bag is a yes bag. Look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. And it has so much space. Does it have side bags or is it just an empty bag? Okay, it does have 2 side bags inside, so that's good. And then like this and I like the papers and everything, but oh, so pretty. Let me put this back. I like to keep the paper inside just so that it can keep its shape. So I'm gonna leave that inside and close this. So that's number one. Love it. Best deal ever. Okay, so it's done. Now let's go to opening. So one of the items is a cardigan, but without sleeves, you know. And this was, I think, $12.99. And I was like, these are the things I need for autumn, because here it's like 90% cold and like 10% warm. Like August, it's raining like crazy. It's like September, and then I wouldn't be surprised if it's in September it's warm. Anyway, let me open this quickly. They have this also in blue, but I think I might take this one back and order the blue one. I prefer a bit of color because everybody here in this country, they like to wear how do they call this color? Cream. And I don't like that. I like a bit of color. So I wanted to order this one to see if I like it and to see for the size, because I ordered the size medium. And if I like it, I'm gonna take this one back and order the blue one. So let's see. Okay, medium is quite big, so I think I'll stick with the medium. And I love things which have a high collar, because here when it's cold, and you might, I don't know why, but for me my neck is really sensitive to cold, so I love anything that has like a long collar. And this is really pretty. I really like it, but I think I'll like it more in the baby blue that I saw. So I'll insert a picture so that you guys can see, but I love it. I love the medium, so I'll order medium definitely. But let me try it on. Should I try it on just for you guys to see? Like you see, it's I don't know. Like I like that. I like when the colors are really high. So you see, it's really pretty and kind of, I really like it. But give me a break. So I just looked in the mirror and I really like it, but I'm gonna, I think, order it in the baby blue instead of the cream one. Yeah, I prefer a bit of color, so I'm gonna order the baby blue one. This one, I'll take it back. I prefer color instead of cream. The cream goes with everything, but I prefer the baby blue one. So I'll order that one and then I'll see. Okay, so let's take this off. Okay, this thing is disturbing my hair. It's kind of annoying me. Anyway, so that was that. And then what else did I order? I ordered this pan, but these you won't be able to see as I would like, but these have like a special texture to them. I don't know if you can see that. Like they have like a special texture on them. And I tried this one in the shop in a large, and they were quite a bit big. So I was like, let me check online. Maybe they have them in a medium. And this is this really a medium? Yeah, this is a medium. It's still big, but I love like this kind of like loose straight pants that are like casual, but like you can dress them up also. So yeah. Okay, so So a friend of mine just knocked on the door, so I got distracted. Anyways, I wasn't expecting him to be visiting me right now, but he was just checking on me apparently. It was a bit weird. He was like running away. Anyways, so I was talking about the pants. I like these kind of like loose pants, but not too loose, but like they come like straight pants. I don't know how to explain them, but I cannot put them on right now. But they are like these. You get what I mean? And I love such pants. I'm gonna try them on before I take a shower. I don't know why. I don't like to try on new things if I've already showered. I prefer to try them on before I go to shower, because then I know I'm gonna be clean, because you never know where all the things came from, so, and they're not washed. So, but I'm gonna try this on before I go to shower this evening and see if it fits. But yeah, I really like it. So what do you guys think? Anyways, so that was it. I could not try on the pants, but maybe next time. And I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. And the next video would be 5 toxic relationship movies, because those I have 5 good ones. So watch out for that one, and I'll see you in the next one. Because it's such a gloomy day. It's raining and whatever, so I thought I would film this video. So watch out for the next video, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.